बहुत शुक्रिया. I am very happy to be here. மரியாதைக்குரிய டாக்டர் ரா காபூ புலனாய் காபூ என்பவர் தற்போது நமது தேசிய
உள்ளதற்கு என்னுடைய முதற்க நன்றியை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன்.
You know, you have seen recently, a few months back, when our new parliament building was inaugurated. When the new parliament building was inaugurated, Prime Minister felicitated who? He felicitated all the workers, all the tradesmen, all the technicians who built it. He sat with them, he had meal with them, he respected them because they are the one who built this parliament building. It's not that some big leader, political leader, or maybe the engineer in chief. No, it is these people who have built it. And that is why even in G20, the meeting, the world leaders came and met at Bharat Mandapam. Bharat Mandapam is a new magnificent building created for this great country where all the leaders of the world came and met. But after the meeting was over, Prime Minister met all the workers, all the technicians, all the tradesmen who built this. He respected because they are the one who built it. It is not any political leader, it is not any great big engineer. Engineers were there, but actually it is their sweat, their blood, their effort, their dedication which made it possible. They have to be respected. So that is the spirit in which Prime Minister works, and that is the spirit in which we have to move forward to build this country a great country. To make it easier for our Vishwakarma brothers and sisters, those who are in all these 18 trades, he came up with a scheme, Vishwakarma Yojana. About that Yojana, our Sahodari Radha has given you a detailed account. Now, this is a well-meaning scheme to help our brothers and sisters, those who are engaged in all these 18 trades, to do their work better, to do it in a more skilled manner because there are training schemes for that. They should be able to buy the tools, equipments, for that there is a grant. They should be able to enlarge their business, for that there is a soft loan. All these schemes, the scheme is essentially to make our Vishwakarma brothers and sisters, those who have been kept on the margin, feel proud, do their work, what they are doing, with pride and on a larger scale. Government, all the schemes, be it health, be it education, be it infrastructure, be it industry, be it electrification of houses, be it taking drinking water to every home, be it giving free cooking gas. There is no distinction between a person or a family in one state or other, whether the person is in Tamil Nadu or in UP, whether the person in Gujarat or Odisha, there is no distinction. Everyone is treated equally. It is because our country is one family. Bharat is one family, or Kudumbam. And that is how Prime Minister looks at this country as a Kudumbam. And when you are in a family, a large family, problem of one member of the family is not the problem of that member, is a problem of the whole family. So, if we look at our country as a family, which it is, we cannot do politics in any field, any development. We have to do to all. Scheduled caste and scheduled tribe people, 40% of the amount is unspent. They don't spend it. And a large part of the amount is diverted for some other purpose. Now this is how. This is very sad. A central government scheme is not a scheme of Prime Minister. It is a scheme of our people of this country. It is a scheme for everyone. To do politics on it is very sad, very tragic.